Hey guys, today we're going to be doing Jeeves from Hack the Box. This is a Windows machine and it's part of liankusangi's OSCP like list. So I've already ran my initial scan, which includes an all port scan and each individual ports using SC and SV, and then output that to a file. So let's now just do left and right over here and get over here. We see that there is port 80, which has a title called Ask Jeeves. There's SMB, and then there's Jetty. I know that Jetty is commonly exploited, so what I am going to do, it just says error not found. Um, that is strange, but at the start, let's check out SMB. SMB 10 10 10 63 U. Let's check this out. Access denied. Alright then, let's go to guest. It's also showing us as Windows 10 Pro and 64-bit. Account disabled. So nothing we can do with SMB right now. Probably use this for spraying or PS execute to get a shell. But right now I'm thinking of going straight to Jetty. So that's 50,000. Let's copy this IP. That's 5,000. We've got to go to 50,000. Powered by this problem accessing this for a reason. Let's spray this. Let's do dir search. And we can just put this in Google to see if we can get any exploits for this. Exploit. Information disclosure. We do have this type of exploit over here. And there's this, but we're not going to check this out. Directory transversal. We also have this. Let's take this out and the first one as well. These two are worth a shot. Okay, let's just let this run finish. We have not found anything here. Let's collapse this and let's do the same thing but with buff. Let's close all of this. Oops. And yeah, we'll let this run for a bit. Index.html. Nope. Index.php. Alright then, let's try doing something like this. Reason not found. But if we do this, Ask Jeeves. So we got something over here called Ask Jeeves. Let's see what happens. And why isn't this loading? Perfect. So we're in here and there is some things we should check out first. Check out credentials, stored copies, global credentials, nothing here, add credentials, nothing to do over here. Let's just check it some other things out. We have admin over here. Maybe there's a password here. Nope. Builds, configure, my view, show. Nope. Let's go back to Jenkins. And there's actually a way to get a reverse shell on this. So what we are going to do is sudo netcat lvnp 8000, and I did not set up my notes yet. So I'm just going to turn on my notes real quick, so I'm going to pause it. Okay, and we're in our notes now. Jenkins, attacking Jenkins, and all we have to do is go to the script console. Script. This is how we get there. Just do script. Here we are. We're on port 80, and this is a Windows machine. So if you do this, we get the ID, which is fine. But we want a reverse shell, and this is a Windows machine. So let us try to do this. Put our IP here, 10.10.14.14, and change this to 8000 that we have. Double check 8000 and click run. Here we got it. Who am I? Let's go back. Why can't I go back? Strange. But we do have access to all of this. We can check the config. I'm going to look at the config before I actually. I'm going to do net user. So we are at this account over here. CMD key / list, just some small stuff. User this. Something is stored and it's called this. So from here, I'm thinking I get another reverse shell. User this. Local machine persistence. Okay. I can do who am I priv. We also have the see impersonate privilege. Maybe we could escalate to our users admin. We're already in the administrator area. So every time I do cd away, it says access is denied. How about if I do cd this? It works. So that is what is going on. But when I did cat config.exe, it said nothing is allowed. So what I am going to try to do now is Jenkins dir. I'm actually going to exit this because I don't think it's going to let me go to the administrator directory anymore. And I'm going to run this again. And the reason why I'm doing this is because since I'm already here, I might be able to read some of these things. So for example, can I go into secrets? cd secrets. I can. Type master key. Initial admin password. That's a good find. What is this? Let's do left right here. Net exec. Let's do administrator. See for any password reuse over here. Nope. What about the user that we currently have? which is net user, this baby right over here. Now I need to check if this is encrypted or not as well. So gonna go and do nothing here. Okay. Okay, let's check if this is any type of encryption as well. So to do that, you can do hash ID, put this in here, and it's coming as quite a lot. A good idea would also be to run responder /a/I twin0, run it as sudo cali. From here, let's do dir 10.10.14.14 test. Access is denied, but we do have a password here which we can decrypt, and I'm probably gonna use it as well. So now that we have this, let's go to hash over here. Place this in, save this. Let's open file here. Cat cd, and from here hash rock you. You can run this. Other things that we should be looking for is what is this? Jenkins Jenkins file that stores creds. So it's basically in this area over here. Encryption keys are stored in secrets along with the master key used to protect the key secrets. Okay, so if we go back here and do dir, we don't see any. Let's do type config.xml. Administrator this. So it didn't crack it. I'm going to try once more, this time with a rule. Rule, and to do that we just have to take this, put this, rule, this should be okay, good enough. Nothing over here that's surprising. We do have this though. You know what, let's just do the who am I priv, and let's try to first use this, the impersonate user. So see impersonate privilege. So over here you have this, leave this over here. Exhausted didn't work, that's fine. Locate, what do you call it? Sharp efc potato.exe. Yes. Potato. Alright then, whatever. Come. Go here. This is also good. Yep. See details. You can ignore the risk. So we're going to try two tools. We're going to try sharp EFS potato. And actually, let me try the spelling. Perfect. Let's just move this over here. So we have this now. The next thing I want to try is print spoiler. So what we're going to do here is actually they're already over here. 64, and let's go to move download Python 3M. So let's try this one first. So let's get PowerShell. Give it a minute or two. Okay, no luck. Let's leave that there and run this command again. Actually, let's change this to PowerShell. PowerShell.exe. Does it work? Who am I? Might have to change this to CMD then. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to be using certutil. File transfer method. To 10, 10, 14. First one we're going to do is prints. So we do this, and we do this. Certutil is not recognized. That's a first. Curl is not recognized either. I mean, no issues. We can do another way as well. So what we're going to do now is from Linux to Windows. We don't need to use this, we'll just use this one. So we have this opened. Let's do left and right, and let's open this over here. Kali. And then from here we can do top to bottom. And over here we're also going to do top to bottom. Let's go to temp SMB share. If it's not made, we'll make it. cd temp, make directory SMB share. SMB share. So now we're in here. what this thing needs to do is connect to us. It probably will not be able to, so we're actually going to do this. Change this command to this. From here, let's use this command. Change this to 10.10.14.14. And command completed successfully, and we are now authenticated and connected. So now we will just copy print spoofer to temp SMB share, and over here we should have it. Now if we do dir, we're gonna have right over here. We just need to copy this, whoops, copy this to here. Filed copied, great. Now print, how do you run this command again? Spawn a shell right over here. And I don't think it worked. So that is the end of that. I don't see why it didn't work. It's not working in general. That is fine. Since we do have some, before I try, actually I'm going to go ahead and try the sharp up. Before I do, I just got to create an MSF Venom shell, 1414 reverse.exe, and change this to x64. Perfect. Now this is here. Hurry up. Perfect. Let's copy this to temp SMB share. And let's copy reverse to reverse.exe to temp SMB share. Confirm it's here. Great. Now let's move it over here using copy, actually dir. There we go. Let's copy reverse.e, oops, copy n reverse to us. Okay. Reverse.exe over here. So it says it contains a virus and cannot do it. Oh, what if I do this then? Copy and so this one worked, but the other one did not work. Wait, which one did I just do right now? I did sharp ef potato, and I think there's a way to get a shell on this as well. We're gonna try this command actually to see if it works. Exploit fail. Who am I? Alright, so this exploit failed, clearly. Let's now do this again and run our command. Let's stop this. Run. Okay, we're still here. This looks very interesting. What is users doing in here? cd admin config.xml. Oh, they have a password hash over here. I mean, yeah, I can try to decrypt it. Maybe for password reuse. Let's go back to our hash. .txt. Let's remove this, place this, save this, close. And from here, let's hash rock you. And ours is probably 3200. M3200. Alright, we're gonna let this run. We do have this hash over here. This might take some time. Till then, we have another finding that we did that we need to like take a look at. So let's go to shelves. Nope. Privilege escalation, credentials hunting, other credential method. We found something here. But before I do that, let's take a look at this. And over here, we don't have anything. cmd key / list. So let's try to get another reverse shell. And the command that we want to run is going to be from rev shells. Strange, nothing's coming up from here. So that's the user area. We type secret dot key, probably has nothing in it. Just check the status of this. This is going to take quite some time, so I'm probably not going to bother with this because it's probably not the way, since it's only at 0.54%. So let us close this. Not going to bother with that. And let's try to find other things now. And this is Kosuke, which is us, I believe. Yep, cd.groovy, cd grapes. Right, nothing here. cd desktop, that's our file. cd documents. Okay, we've actually found something. So we should not be looking at that too much, because it's probably going to leak everything. But this is basically a key base file. So if we go over here, we can see, go kdbx password manager. So let me get this. So this is some password manager over here. We have this over here, we have this over here. Alright, let's get to this then. So we found this. We need to get this to us now. So what we can do is just do copy this to our SMB share. Now that we have some over here, let's move CEH this all the way to this directory. I am now going to start doing the work over here. Let's clear this and let's collapse this. So in order to do this, we have to now do, from my notes, it would be converting this to yep, that's fine. There we go. Nepass.hash. I'm probably gonna do John wordless. Actually, no. How with that? I'm just gonna put into hashcat. I don't know if it's gonna work there, but let's give it a try. I think it should. If it's in my node, it should. Sometimes when you use this Nepass to John or to John stuff, it only works with John, so at least that's my experience. So we're gonna copy this. Put it into here. Save this. Close this. File again. CMD. Hash. Lock you. No hash mode. From my notes. Mode 13400. Is that it? So it doesn't work. Let's just use John. John wordless. So while this is running, we should check out Nepass, how to open Nepass, since I forgot about that. I haven't done that in a while. Open Nepass database in Linux. So we got a Moonshine 1. Let's run this. Launch this. Okay. Nepass. Yes. Moonshine. Let's split this left and right. Come on, hurry up. Should be good. And open database. Desktop. Hack the box. Which box are we in? This. Enter password. Moonshine1. Unlock. And now we have a couple of passwords over usernames over here. And a note. What the hell? So if we go to backup stuff, passwords, we will get this. Michael, administrator, has this. Let's try this if this works. So we are going to go here, net exec SMB, administrator, and password. Okay, that actually pissed me off so much. Let's collapse this. Collapse this. Why did that not work? Administrator. This. Okay, that's fine. What I am going to do is do nano passwords.txt, and I'm going to put all of this into a file. So starting with backup stuff, we have this. The next thing we have is Bank of America. Nope. We can also take this as well. What's another thing that we should do? Hackerman pwned you all. We also have this. And apparently this is going to something on this secret dot. Interesting. We have this. We need creds. Bob has this. Is there anyone else? And there's one more. And the last one is this. Alright, not going to bother with that. Actually, I still will write it. Password. So now let's use this and see if we can get a hit. Alright, that's fine. But I'm also going to try with this hash over here. Okay, so it worked with that hash. Now from here we can just do, yeah, this is quite a super easy box. Let's do p impact it. Let's execute this, change it to 64. What is it? 63. Hash, put this here. Let's just put this in here. Impact it. Let's go here and write impact it PS. This is fine. I'm gonna go here. We will remove, copy this, put this here, and then do 10, 10, 10, 63. And now, please, for the love of God, work. Who am I? And now we have done it. This was actually a super easy machine. I don't know why the community is even rating it as a medium. This was actually very, very easy. How long did this video take? 45 minutes. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. And wait, that's weird. Okay, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. And yeah, take care. Wait, whoa. Okay, let me pause this to see what is inside here first. Give me a second. Okay, yeah, I opened this and it said flag is somewhere else, look deeper. So I'm going to go here and go to the commands that I use to search for files. Go over here, Windows file searching, and over here this is the command that I run, but I gotta do this in PowerShell, so ls, come on, work. Alright, I hate when this happens. That is fine. Let's just do this. And let's go. Actually, let me see if I have a command for this. Find file command cmd. Okay, I want to run a PowerShell command, but I'm probably going to have to run something like if I go to here, this should get me a PowerShell. Let's do left right sudo netcat 8000. This is 8000, yep. Let's do copy this and paste this in here. Oops, wrong place. Let's paste this in here. And we did not get a hit. That was a bad choice. CD users. CD users. dir administrator. Let me just check a couple of these real quick. Let me check out documents. CD downloads. Let's try this. Didn't work. I don't think this is gonna work. I think this might work. I mean, there's so many ways to get it, but bro, this is what happens when I don't have all the commands and I'm lazy to find some. Administrator. Let me see if this would work. Okay, this is actually might be it. We can collapse this. Root.txt. This is also another command. Not found. That's fine. We are just going to do this users administrator and put everything.txt. Okay, I don't know why it's taking this long. Let's get another shell. Where is this stupid file? Oh my god. Also, a thing that I should check for is, let's open a new tab, nmap, cat g. Yeah, this would be the way and there's no other way. whatever. CD users administrator cd dot groovy cd grapes nothing here dot Jenkins, nothing's gonna be here that I need. User content, was there any other clue? Type hm.txt. The file is elsewhere, look deeper. That's all it is. I mean, got the user, so let's just check other things. Let's try contacts. Nothing here. Let's try favorites. Oops. Favorites. Probably not here. CD links. CD music. CD1 drive. CD pictures. Searches. Saved games. And CD video. Hmm. Whew. Okay, it's 1 hour. Kind of want to take a break, to be honest. And I'm trying not to use ChatGPT, but I'm thinking about using it for this. Oh, this is a good idea. If I could check the history, maybe it wrote something there. Oh yeah, can't even do that. But it's probably in this directory, so I can just go and do cd Windows copy. Let's try this. CD desktop. Nope. Command to find C root.txt file in Windows And sure, we can try that. Bro, what am I running around for, man? Just give me the damn file and get it over with. CD administrator. I'll just put it in here. CMD command to find the file root.txt. Oh, okay. File not found. So where the hell is it? Find. Does this work with user.txt or no? Oops. dir user.txt sp. Yep, it does work with that. Root. So it has to be something else then. Okay. Well, that explains a lot. Collapse. So it's not in this. It's probably not in. I mean. We can go into secrets. This is also not going to work. But what is going to work is, how about if we do dir c users. Let's try it with find files in current directory that ends with perfect. Readme robots.txt in here, license.txt, license, nope, dependencies, nope, 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 nope. We do have this though. And this is gonna have it hopefully. So clear, something happened here, update. This is probably not gonna work. Oh, I'm thinking of seeing a write-up to be honest. I don't want to like bother too much with finding this. It's probably just a file hidden somewhere in here. What would they want? I mean, we could give us some time and see if we can find it till then. How it's 1 hour 12 minutes. Okay. There's something running on this one. So what I'm going to try to do is I don't have curl, I don't have this. I'm assuming it's on here. Maybe if I curl this, it's gonna show. Can also run this. I guess I'll do tunneling. If this doesn't work, then I'm just gonna look at it. Linux, shizzle. Okay, now we gotta go here and download shizzle. I'm pretty disappointed. I don't want to do tunneling. I just find it very annoying. Shizzle. GitHub. So we need one for ourselves. AMD 64. This is good. And then we need one for Windows. AMD 64. Perfect. Let's copy them both. Download. Linux one over here. Now we're going to do the Windows. There's one over here. G unzip. Do this one. G unzip. Great. Now with this done, we probably can let this one go, and we can let this go. And from here, we have to do the SMB thing again. File transfer. Doing this. Remove all. It doesn't really matter. So move home Cali box. Use and map chisel windows over here. That's all we need to do. And then we can ten 14.14. Command completed successfully. dir and now we're gonna double check if it works. Great. Copy and chisel. dir. I can do chisel move chisel.exe. Is that possible? Great, now that's better. And we have our Windows ones over here. Let's go here and create I'm gonna fix this later, but right now it's just Control Shift T should open it. CD home Cali desktop hack the box Jeeves, and from here we gotta go to nmap as well. Let's see how to do chisel. Direct method, hell with this. Command plus X. Perfect, so it started here. Now over here what we have to do is we're going to take this command and edit this first. It's going to be chisel.exe client. It's going to connect to us on 14 and it will go from our 8001 to what port of theirs do we want to go to? We want to go to 1900. 1900. Connecting, blah blah. Great. If I go here and write Input 8001. So nothing was there either. Five one 206. 51206. Perfect. It's connected here. Again, nothing. Alright, I give up. I'm just gonna go check the walkthrough for this. I don't want to waste too much time on this. Fuck. I kind of don't want to check it. Bro, where is this file? Let me just double try this command again. This time we're gonna do 8, 5. And we can just copy the rest like this. Connected. Now 8, 5. We get nothing. Open link. That is fine. Anyways, taking a look at C drives, inet pub, uroot. Okay, nothing's gonna be here. CD Jenkins. No, I think I'm just gonna go and check it out. Uh, I really don't want to. Alright, command to find file, to find a file that contains 32 hex characters. There we go. I don't know if this is gonna... How the hell did it not find it? Let's do it over here. So I guess it's working. I'm also gonna do this over here. Users. I'm just gonna run the command over here as well. I don't think this is gonna work. This is definitely not it. This is not it. This is not it. Instructions, content. This is not it. This looks suspicious. But it's so big that it's probably not of the size. We can note this though. We'll keep a note of this. We'll note this one down over here, and we'll note the other one down, which is this. Configurations, Windows code. Bro, what are these files? Nope, nothing here. I'll take my chances go here actually. This is my last check and then I'm just gonna see the walkthrough. Okay, let's do type this and do 1.txt. That's just messed up, honestly. Great, alright, let's check it out. Just walkthrough. Shell as administrator. dir ls. We got that. We did all this. Shell, and then now we have to get root. Oh shit. One thing to check in CTFs is for alternative data streams, which can be seen in dir with r. Alright, that's about it. I'm going to note this for next time, and I'll see you guys. Take care.